The history of computer. Today we are going to learn a new lesson called History of Computer. Now see your book. In your book the first point is let's set start. In that let's set start they show some pictures. Okay, some pictures means even they shows one telephone. It's like this. Okay, and now the telephones was like this. Okay, numbers are written here. Okay, before few years ago, the telephone was look like this. Many inventions happens and now we are using the telephones are like this. Means so many machines are there which undergoes many changes over the years and now we are using the latest machines. Okay. Calculator for calculation. See, have you seen the calculator? In that calculators, the digits are given here. Here are some operations plus, minus, multiplication. We press the digit and we will get the result like this 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. But now we are using the computer for calculation. Okay, in computer also one calculator is there where you can do the calculation. Now we'll see how this computer get invented. Okay, we'll start from the abacus. Abacus was the first calculating device. It was developed by Chinese and has been in use since 500 BCE. It was mainly used by merchants to perform basic calculation such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. The abacus is look like this. Some beads are here. See, these are the beads. These are the beads. We are using these beads for the calculation. These 5 beads plus 4 beads is equal to 9 beads. Then 2 beads plus 3 beads is equal to 5 beads. Means these beads are used for the calculation. It is one type of slate. In this slate some beads get fitted and these beads are used for the calculation. That people are using this bead for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and this device is called as an abacus. After abacus, Napier bones. Napier bones was invented by John Napier. The device consists of rod made up of bones, ivory or metal with the numbers written on them. It was used for multiplication and division. See, here are some rods like this: 0, 1, 2, 3. This is a Napier bone machine and they are using this rod for calculation 2, 4, 6, even 7, 8, 2. These rods are used for calculation. Means first abacus, then Napier bones. These machines are used for the calculation. After Napier bones, Pascaline invented. These Pascaline are invented by Basil Pascal in 1642. It was the first mechanical calculator. It consists of the rectangular box, see like this, with number written on rotating wheel. These are the rotating wheels. These wheels rotated continuously. And some numbers are written on that. Like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these rotating wheels, these are the rotating wheels. These wheels are used for the calculation. Means they rotate these wheels and did the addition, subtraction and division. So this device is called as an Pascaline. Then after Pascaline, difference engine invented. Difference engine. The difference engine was designed by Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage. This Charles Babbage is also called father of computer. It was designed to perform mathematical operations automatically. It was one of the earliest automatic calculator. Okay, means after Pascaline, this difference engine get invented. After difference engine, analytical engine invented. The analytical engine was also developed by Charles Babbage. It was it was considered as a world first general purpose computer. It was designed to perform any calculation. The machine consists of four components: mill, store, reader and printer. Then after analytical engine, tabulating machine invented. Tabulating machine invented. This machine is invented by Herman Hollieth. It was developed to process data for 1890 United States Census. It was used to consist in counting, recording the given information in a laser time. So then after tabulating machine, ENIAC. ENIAC was invented. ENIAC means electronic numerical integrator and calculator. It was the first electronic computer developed by J. Eckert and J. McLean in 1946. This ENIAC is a big, it require a big room to fit. Like this, in a big room, this ENIAC get fitted. Even it generated more heat also. Then after ENIAC, UNIVAC, we'll call as an UNIVAC, Universal Automatic Calculator, was first commercial available computer. It was developed by Perspec Eckert and John McLean in 1951. Okay, after ENIAC and after UNIVAC, so many inventions happened, and now we are using our modern computer.